Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I will teach you how to make automatic form to like this. I will teach you how to make an automatic form like this. You will get 64 stack plus 2 plus. First of all, you need 1 glass and 4 stack of stone and a half stone and 3 stack of 2.5 stack of dust and 4 Maturi and 2 chest and 2 harvester and 3 redstone dust and hoe and button and 2 buttons and 3 bucket of water and 2 redstone torches. First of all, you should fill surface area into 7 into 7 and make a deep hole 7 into 7 also. Put 2 side chest and put a harvester. See this connection to the chest and put harvester into 6 plus 1. You can also see that the process how it will be moved towards the chest. After this, put block 6 blocks in chest place. You should place a mirror. After placing a mirror, you should build 1 block upper and build 7 into 7 square surface area of an form and make it 3 steps. After that, put 2 blocks up and make side compound of the form. After building this, I will tell you a mysterious secret about the form. Remove 3 blocks and put 3 harvesters like this. Put 3 water buckets to them and put 7 redstones and place 1 button behind here. After that, put 6 blocks wider and build 2 blocks upper and cover the side compound of this process step by step till completing this. Also help to provide from the cows. And also put the side base to your field. And guys, place the blocks behind the harvester and put some redstones and remove some blocks and put water this side and fill 1 blocks here also. After placing this, guys, please check the place where you had left and put some redstones like me and put some redstones. You should also require to put some harvester in other side also. Here you should place 1 redstone torch. Put 7 into 7 blocks or redstones or some wire else. Be careful, you also get current sometimes. I think to prepare a big field you also require many redstones. You can also make some field without using wheat, or you can also use radish, pumpkins or some carrots. Be safe from goats, it will eat your crops. All side this redstone dusters and put under this many lights to prevent from spawning mobs or sometimes creeper or some monsters. After this, guys, place some stones here. Now our farm is full of covered, and using the hoe prepared some smooth the soil and put some seeds of anything you want to build and cover this surrounding. See guys, the final result we got by our field. This is the process of harvesting automatically. Guys, we got 3 stack of wheats and some many stack of wools. thank you guys for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in next video. Thank you.